Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will cover programming language for ethical hacking and skills required. Let's dive into course. Skills enable you to achieve your desired goals within the available time and resources. As a hacker, you need to develop specific skills to get the job done. These skills include learning how to program, effectively using the internet, solving problems efficiently, and leveraging existing security tools. In this article, we will introduce you to the common programming languages and skills that you must know as a hacker. What is a programming language? A programming language is used to develop computer programs, which can range from operating systems and database applications to networking solutions. Best programming languages for ethical hackers.
HTML.
HTML is a language used to write web pages and is cross-platform in web hacking, login forms, and other data entry methods use HTML forms to gather data. Being able to write and interpret HTML makes it easier to identify and exploit weaknesses in the code. JavaScript. JavaScript is a client-side scripting language that is cross-platform in web hacking. JavaScript code is executed on the client browser, allowing you to read saved cookies and perform cross-site scripting, among other tasks. PHP. PHP is a server-side scripting language that is cross-platform, widely used in web programming. PHP processes HTML forms and performs various custom tasks. You can write a custom application in PHP to modify settings on a web server, potentially making the server vulnerable to attacks. SQL. SQL is a language used to communicate with databases and is cross-platform. In web hacking, SQL injection can be used to bypass weak web application login algorithms, delete data from the database, and more. Python, Ruby, Bash, Perl. These high-level programming languages are cross-platform and are useful for building tools and scripts. They are invaluable for developing automation tools and scripts, and the knowledge gained can also be applied to understanding and customizing existing tools. C and C++. These low-level programming languages are cross-platform and are essential for writing exploits, shellcodes, and more. They are particularly useful for creating your own shellcodes, exploits, rootkits, or for understanding and expanding existing ones. Java, Sharp, Visual Basic, VBScript. Java and Sharp C# are cross-platform, while Visual Basic is specific to Windows. These languages have various uses depending on your specific scenario. Cross-platform means programs developed using the particular language can be deployed on different operating systems such as Windows, Linux-based, Mac, etc. Why should you learn how to program? Hackers are problem solvers and tool builders. Learning how to program enables you to implement solutions to complex problems, setting you apart from script kiddies. Writing programs as a hacker allows you to automate tasks that would otherwise be time-consuming. It also helps you identify and exploit programming errors in targeted applications. Moreover, you can leverage open-source programs to avoid reinventing the wheel. Customizing existing applications and adding your methods allows you to tailor solutions to meet your specific needs effectively. What programming languages learn to become ethical hacker? The answer to this question depends on the computer systems and platforms you intend to target. Some programming languages are specific to certain platforms. For instance, Visual Basic Classic 3, 4, 5, and 6.0 is used for developing applications that run on the Windows operating system. Therefore, if your target is hacking Linux-based systems, it would not be practical to learn how to program in Visual Basic 6.0. Technical skills required to become an ethical hacker. In addition to programming skills, a proficient hacker should possess the following abilities: effectively utilize the internet and Search engines to gather information. Familiarize themselves with a Linux-based operating system and master essential commands. Demonstrate dedication and a strong work ethic, continually refining their skills through practice. Contribute positively to the hacker community by developing open source programs, participating in hacking forums, and sharing knowledge. Thanks for watching. See you in next lecture.